tokens held by exchange wallets. So okay, again, we've got a list of the major tokens by volume.
Yeah, and we can also see, their corresponding, have they been audited by us? Do they have a security score, all that information, the percentage ratio. So this is just kind of a different way of visualizing it, right? So if you want more of that numerical kind of table style breakdown, you're able to get that here. And I think the other aspect, aside from just the holdings, I think net flows is like a very interesting indicator, right? So, is there net inflow or net outflow? And you can kind of like measure that over time. And then also break out, specifically within categories, like is there net stablecoin inflow outflow, inflow outflow, BTC inflow outflow, right? So,
and here we've got the list of actual wallets that we track related to Binance.
Correct. Yeah. So these are all the specific wallets themselves, and then users are free to click view details, and this will open up into our Smart Money Wizard, which we'll get into here shortly to give a little bit more info about that.